The Volkswagen T1 Samba Bus is pure automotive legend, the luxurious, chrome-laden multi-window version of the iconic 1950s-60s Microbus that symbolized freedom, adventure, and beach vibes worldwide. With its signature two-tone paint, folding sunroof, oval roof windows up to 23 in total, and joyful design, the original Samba was built for touring the Alps or cruising coastlines in style. Fast forward to today, and 2026 brings exciting whispers and concept. Hype of a T1 Samba revival, a modern take that could fuse classic looks with electric innovation, much like the ID. Buzz pays homage to the Type 2 family. While not an official production model, VW's focus is on the ID Buzz EV lineup. This imagined 2026 Samba revival captures the dream of blending heritage charm with zero-emissions driving. Pricing for a hypothetical revival would target premium retro enthusiasts. Expect a starting range of $70,000 to $100,000 or equivalent in global markets. Positioning it as a collectible, halo vehicle far more accessible than ultra-rare original Sambas, which fetch $100,000, $300,000 plus at auctions, but with bespoke touches like custom two-tone paints and limited editions. Design stays true to the T1 Samba spirit. Boxy yet elegant proportions, split windshield, prominent VW badge, chrome accents everywhere, two-tone color schemes like classic red, white, or pastel combos, large round headlights, and that famous folding fabric sunroof for open-air fun. Modern updates could include LED lighting, larger wheels, 18-20 inches with retro rims, and subtle aero tweaks for efficiency, while keeping the upright, friendly stance that turns heads. Inside, it would evoke nostalgia with durable, colorful upholstery, simple dashboard layout, and plenty of windows for bright, airy vibes. Expect modern upgrades like a large central touchscreen, wireless connectivity, ambient lighting, and advanced safety, adaptive cruise, lane assist, emergency braking, seating for 7 to 9 passengers with flexible configurations, massive cargo space when folded, and that signature sunroof would make it perfect for family, road trips, or van life adventures. Powertrain leans electric to align with VW's future. A rear or all-wheel drive setup like the ID Buzz, with 253 horsepower from electric motors, instant torque for effortless acceleration, 0-60 mph in 67 seconds, and a range of 250-300 plus miles on a large battery. Fast charging, 10-80% in 30 minutes, and smooth, quiet operation would make it far more practical than the original air-cooled boxer engine, 30-40 HP back in the day. It'd handle city streets, highways, or light trails with composure. In summary, a 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba revival would be the ultimate feel-good vehicle, reviving the joy of the original Samba with electric efficiency, modern tech, and timeless style. Whether as a full production nod or high-end Restomod inspiration, like Cyan Racing's takes on classics, it's a bus that promises smiles, freedom,